Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Make sure you have a payment method valid in the new country and 0 store credit remaining. Open Settings and tap your account to access country/region options. Once done, disable or transfer any active subscriptions. Apple/Google require those cleared or moved. Make sure to back up app data before proceeding because region changes can affect availability. This step gets you into the account controls and prevents interruptions when you change the store location. You now select the new country in account settings and accept the updated terms. This tells the store which catalog and pricing to show. Next, enter a valid local billing address and a supported payment method, cards, carrier billing, or local alternatives like PayPal where allowed. Make sure phone and postal formats match local expectations to avoid rejection. Once you submit, the store updates regional storefronts and currency, so some apps or purchases may appear unavailable or priced differently. You finish by reviewing the new store. Re-download any region-specific apps and verify subscriptions resumed or resubscribed where needed. If you encounter errors, first confirm your payment method and that no subscriptions or store credit remain on the old country. These are the most common blockers. If an app or purchase is missing, sync purchases, restart the device, and try again. Make sure to contact platform support only after verifying payment and subscription status to speed resolution.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.